Hey guys, Pierce here, and today I'm going to show you how to install a hard drive. Now, installing a hard drive is fairly easy to do, so no need to worry if you're a beginner. But to start with, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a spare SATA data cable, an available SATA power lead from your PSU, a hard drive. The steps shown will work with nearly all internal hard drives and SSDs, and obviously a PC. For the purpose of this video, I will be installing a 3TB WD Caviar Green 3.5-inch hard drive, although, as I mentioned above, the following steps will work with nearly all hard drives. Before you start, ensure that you are going to be statically discharged whilst installing the hard drive, as electrostatic buildup can cause damage to the parts in your computer. If you live in a country where you frequently get static shocks when touching a doorknob, then you might want to consider getting an anti-static wristband just to be safe. You will need to identify the type of hard drive mounting system your PC case utilizes. Most newer cases will feature a toolless hard drive mounting system, often with sleds like the ones here. These snap around your hard drive with anti-vibration rubber screws. Older cases, however, may require you to mount the hard drive directly to the chassis itself. Now you'll need to find out where the screw threads are on your hard drive. They may be on the bottom or on the sides of the drive. Technically, if you have a toolless mounting system, you won't need to screw the hard drive in place, but with mechanical hard drives like the one shown here, it's often better to screw the hard drive to the mounting sled to prevent excessive vibration and potentially noise. SSDs do not have moving parts inside, and therefore these do not need to be screwed in to a supporting toolless system. Dig out the hard drive mounting screws that came with your case if you have them, and if you don't, you're going to need to either buy them online or in a computer store near you. Locate the hard drive in the mounting bay, bearing in mind that you're going to need to access the connectors later. Line up the screw holes on the sides, if you're using a sled, with the rubber screw holes on the sled. It should just snap into place. Once you feel it's comfortably sitting in place, take the screws and basically just fill the holes that are left. Now, providing your hard drive is located where you would like it to be in your computer, feed your spare SATA power lead to the side of the hard drive with the connectors on it. Then plug it into the longer of the two connectors on the back of the hard drive. Then take your spare SATA data lead and plug this into the shorter of the two connectors on the hard drive. Bear in mind these two connectors are notched so that you can only plug them in one way round. Once you've done that, plug the SATA cable into a remaining SATA 3 port on your motherboard. If you need to find out where your SATA ports are on your motherboard, don't be afraid to consult your motherboard manual. Once you've done that, you have now completed the hardware side of installing a hard drive. Congratulations on installing your first hard drive. That was easy, wasn't it? If you have any questions on the method used, then please feel free to comment below. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you really enjoy the content I do, be sure to subscribe by clicking the link here.